FARO is the industry leader in providing forensic solutions to document, analyze, and present crash, crime, and fire scenes. FARO products are also used by thousands of public safety organizations around the world to perform pre-incident planning, fire protection engineering, and training. FARO Zone 2D, 3D, and 3D Advanced transform the way you can capture, analyze, and present all kinds of complex scenes. FARO Zone 2D is an affordable and user-friendly diagramming application for agencies of all sizes. Generate state crash reports, crime and fire scene diagrams, fire protection site plans, and more. Or open and customize diagrams you have already created with older FARO software, like CAD Zone and Eris. Create accurate 2D diagrams using measurements from many different sources, including manual measurements, area maps like Google and Bing, and total station data. Create crash diagrams in less than 10 minutes. Start with a Google map or a high-resolution image captured with a drone and draw the crash scene on top of it. Use the drawing tools and select from the large library of 2D symbols to add details to the scene. Every object has grips, so it's easy to drag to a different location, rotate it, and change its size. Use the Roads tool to quickly create roads and intersections with crosswalks, turn lanes, medians, and stop bars. Creating detailed 2D diagrams has never been easier. FARO Zone 3D is perfect for a variety of applications in law enforcement, forensic investigation, fire protection engineering, and more. It includes all the features in FARO Zone 2D, plus the ability to create, analyze, animate, and present any scene in 3D. Special tools make it fast and easy to draw buildings with doors, windows, stairways, ramps, and roofs. Only FARO Zone has a 3D cabinet builder to reconstruct any kitchen or bathroom with open doors and drawers to show evidence. Take advantage of the comprehensive 2D symbol and 3D model libraries to document scenes in vivid detail. Place models to show posed bodies, vehicle, furniture, weapons, and other evidence. If you need a unique model, import it from 3D Warehouse and other applications. Use scientifically validated tools to analyze the scene, such as to estimate bullet trajectories and the origin of bloodstains, and industry-standard formulas to estimate speed using vehicle crush and momentum, and perform what-if studies with the time-distant velocity analysis. Create compelling animations of vehicles and human bodies to show exactly what happened during a crash or crime scene, complete with weather effects. Use measurements from the scene and data from event data recorders to create incredibly realistic and accurate animations. With Zone to Go, it's easy to package all of your diagrams, reports, animations, and fly-throughs together to share with attorneys, juries, insurance companies, or other stakeholders. Have point cloud data from a laser scanner or drone? Bring your forensic projects to the next level with FARO Zone 3D Advanced. Register and process data captured with FARO Focus S laser scanners to create an incredibly accurate point cloud of the scene. Easily create diagrams by snapping exactly to points in the point cloud and accurately measure anything in the scene. Animate realistic human models and make the scene more vivid with advanced tools for material textures, shadows, and lighting. Digitally put vehicles back into the location of the crash after the scene has been cleared. Combine multiple point clouds captured with drones and laser scanners. Automatically locate bullet trajectory rods and spheres captured with a FARO laser scanner to accurately extend shot trajectories across the scene. One click generates a detailed report that is ready to present in court. Use FARO Zone's independently validated analysis tool to estimate the area of origin of blood spatter, even for cast-off blood stain. Instead of traveling, use virtual reality to let a witness or jury be immersed into the scene. Turn any scanned crime scene into a virtual reality training scenario to share with peers or introduce students to forensic investigation. FARO Zone. Bring your crash and crime scenes to life. Schedule a demo or try it for free.